It's off to an afternoon of fun and adventure as you learn more about one of Florida's biggest industries, citrus farming. Take a ride on the monster truck around a 2,500-acre private cattle and citrus ranch. This exhilarating adventure on the monster truck will take you to see a variety of birds and wildlife on a fun and exclusively narrated tour. Smell the citrus in the air as you meander through the groves and spot the wildlife roaming free. Enjoy land-dwelling animals as well as various species of tropical birds.